You've been hitting push-ups every day, building your chest, flexing your arms, feeling good, until you throw on shorts and reality hits. Your upper body looks strong, but your legs? They're not matching the energy. And that imbalance kills your entire physique. You don't build a powerful body from the top down. You build it from the ground up. Your legs are your foundation. If they're weak, everything else suffers. Strength, balance, posture, even your presence. So today, we fix that. No gym, no machines. Just 4 brutal, effective exercises that will build real lower body strength and size at home, but only if you do them right. This is where most people fail. They rush reps, they use momentum, they chase numbers instead of tension. That's why nothing changes. So slow it down, lock in, and actually train like you mean it. First, the king of all leg exercises, the squat. This is non-negotiable. This is what builds raw power, size, and control. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width, toes angled slightly outward. Keep your chest up, your core tight, and push your hips back as you drop down. Don't just fall into the movement. Control every inch. Go deep, deeper than you're comfortable with. That's where growth happens. Then drive through your heels and come back up strong. If bodyweight is too easy, load a backpack or grab anything heavy and hold it tight to your chest. 4 sets, 15 to 20 reps. Slow, controlled, and painful. Now we hit the part most people ignore, the hamstrings. This is where real athletic strength comes from. Romanian deadlifts. Grab your weight, keep a slight bend in your knees, and hinge your hips straight back. Not down, back. Keep your spine neutral, no rounding. If your back looks like a curve, you're doing it wrong. You should feel a deep stretch in the back of your legs. That tension is what builds muscle. Then drive your hips forward and squeeze your glutes hard at the top. Don't rush it. Own the movement. 4 sets of 15 reps. Make every rep count. Next, we build the engine of your lower body, your glutes. Weak glutes don't just look bad. They destroy your posture and limit your strength. So get on the floor for glute bridges. Feet flat, knees bent, arms relaxed. Now drive through your heels and lift your hips up until your body forms a straight line. At the top, hold for 2 seconds and squeeze hard. Not halfway, not soft, full contraction. If it feels easy, it means you're not squeezing hard enough. Or level up and go single leg. That will expose every weakness instantly. 4 sets, 15 reps per leg. Controlled, focused, and brutal. Now we finish with calves, the most neglected muscle group. And no, it's not just genetics, it's effort. Find a step, a ledge, anything stable. Stand on your toes with your heels hanging off. Drop your heels down slowly until you feel a deep stretch. Then explode up onto your toes and hold for a second at the top. No bouncing. No shortcuts. Full range of motion every time. Add weight if you can. 4 sets of 25 reps. Burn them out completely. But here's the part most people don't want to hear. You can do this workout perfectly and still see 0 results if your lifestyle is weak. Training is only one piece. If you finish this workout and then go eat garbage, you're canceling your progress. Your body needs real fuel, protein to rebuild muscle, carbs for energy, fats for hormonal balance, not junk, not excuses, real food, and sleep. This is where your body actually grows. If you're staying up scrolling, getting 5 hours of broken sleep, you're sabotaging everything. You need 7 to 8 hours of real deep sleep. That's not optional. That's part of the training. Every time you skip leg day, you're delaying your progress. Every time you cut corners, you stay the same. So decide what you actually want. A balanced, powerful physique? Or just looking good from one angle, if you're serious. Start today. Do this workout. Push yourself. And come back stronger next time. Drop a comment and tell me what you're using for weight. I want to see who's actually putting in the work. And if you're ready to build a real body, not just chase shortcuts, subscribe to Omega Body. This is where discipline lives. Build your foundation, and everything else will follow.